Hello. Well. Ati for me chubia mama obia aha and area yi. Ana ndi enwumbre yam say no nan abo apa emu your friend saying. Aka 5 minutes na no nan abo apa emu. And then enwumbre oba so amesre na wa share me video yi ama me kama na yensua de kakra bi. Ye besua de se na ya ye ne da bia no nti atomi die me topic ni din say let's decode the Bible. Let's decode the Bible. Nti wo ba so a mesre wada Roma na wa share video no ama me na wa invite obi. Mre so meda common sense abusiafo nyina ase. Common sense Germany, common sense Africa, common sense Asia, common sense Europe, common sense America, common sense ba bibia me chi obi bia ne titru your boss Abraham bin Moshe alongside P Black with church obi bia edo mo ase ne adwumade omo ye de omo obo msa wiai epaja e wo Kingdom TV e boss 6 o'clock Tender TV from 6 to 8 e jabe so ho gidigidi kura the good side of Satan the good side of Satan the mesre se na ya ye ne da bia no na aja ya bo chenku e nyina ya ko ho na ya kwa kotie na ya sua ade enso wo ho nso biem se ya ka se yebebie ye ho ani no yebebie ye ho ani na abibiman atimi afa ne ntoma pa yeden afra ye no we are here to reverse the lies hentro no ma atwa kire ye no ye be dane ntro no na nokore sese yehu ye de nokore na yeden aba last assembly ameka ye ne say it is time for the earth to vomit every tooth nokore bia asase na mene ye no ye den ye be den e be ba abontin ti common sense abusiafo yedamase die dikan yedamase papa Abraham bi Moshe ese yandamase a miame se yandamase a P Black se yandamase a DJ Ford se yandamase a Kochi yenyina ye se yandamase na ye tiafo because eye mo any common sense family they me pese what tia se ende nwumbre ansa ye kodwumadie ni so se woni common sense family mini common sense family wonni mu a common sense family ni ho what tia se eye wo any common sense family na every good man support good thing yenim say ni papa bia obo ade papa enunti na common sense family eba abonten a enyina yi so mu yonsom enyipa empenifo se de ofuru dua pa na ye de ye pia no mumpia yen na ye bedi ka adam ase pempenso amodi edu pempenso amapia ye de adu no muguso amogbo eduma maya ade papa yeguso ye wojidi no ni da so say adwuma pa na common sense family and Abraham bi Moshe ode ato no ebe wie awie pa ewiai mekase me no me ni sua ade kakra se na ye ne da bia no te wo men o Bible a fa pen na fa paper na quotation bi amebo bia obeden obetwere mesere wo ba so a bombo ndene se wo be share video no na obi nso ayede aba so aba beden aba abehwe yehu no kore nko ade ye nsan ye chi nkofa ntorobio ye bedi no kore chi a de aye betimi aye na oman no afa ne ntoma pa afra na daache bi ye niwa ye manso aba benya bibi pa ye ma aba benya bibi pa ayede atena no ye be ye afamu de nti bommonde na ye wo afamu de obetimi aye e de abo oman no de obetimi aye e de abo ho de obetimi aye e de abo wabusia no ye na fa yede fa bo wabusia na ebe yi eye den a ebe yi ye sha si tu ama mo nko ade eye den ebe yi entro no mo de betu yitirim no omo kan ntro no asama kasa ya na nde entro no aba be ti se no kra ye den eda yitirim saa no mo ye den omo ye nti ye de no kra na aba no ye be ka no kra ma manfo hu se no omo de ntro etu yitim na em se wo hwa yawo nkrofobia they don't accept our teachings me fa say enkyerɛkyerɛ na ye de aba no omo ne ye den enya adwen but ebi wo ho a omo ba abonte no omo be kasa wotimi say eye bua payo omo ahyeda omo ate ase bet omo ayo omo adwen say nya de omo be de omo betie no kore nti me ka say they are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. What you mean? They are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. You will be more omo pese omu ku nokre adenti nokre no eku won som omo pese omo ku nokore because nokore no eku omo som nokore omo nyaaya nkomo ka nokore ne hye beebi adenti because nokore no eku nkrambosom nokore no eku kristosom nokore na epie na edadi no ama nkrambofo ho yeden eche won ama yenuane ma kristofo ho yeden eche won so they are trying in other means and ways say omo beka nokore no ahye kukuam ana omo beka nokore na ahye tokrom but no matter how wontimi mfa nokore nyeden ensie wodi sie say na eche kora na eden ebepie so people are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. Religious people are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. And there, me person me no me share quotation be. The book of John chapter 10 verse 34. And in Luke chapter 14 verse 26. Na yesu ya de bi wo. Sa quotation we em say maka ho asem but manya mre anchirechiri mu. Enti ende mesre me pese me pembre na ye dem ye chirechiri mu na ye ti ye ho ase. Book na ye di echi na ya to ni din the holy book na amanfo di echi se eye nyankopon anu mu asem no. Nsem bi wo mu a da bi asema me ka ne se ye wo epo obi bopo no ye wo na adwen a ode bopo nti wonya na adwen na ode bopo na eye very simple say epo na oboye no obetimi ayede obetimi asane sane nti ye fra die bi code ana password wow omutro book no omo de password edit so nti se wonya password na obetimi ayede obetimi abie sa na omo ye bible no de breye nti enda ye ba be hwe password bi ewo the book of Matthew 10:34 and in Luke chapter 14 verse 26 the entire ene ye mpa ye nkokorafo ene ye mbowafo ye mpese ye betie omanu mu asem no ewo bible num enda me ba be kotu akyerew aborofo no di kan ba abibiman mu no omo steady ye omo de yentenae eno omo hu se asase iso ubehu bibia ubehu abakosema ubehu atetesema ubehu ahintasem bia eji se wunya obi a wunya bibi ana obi a ekwan bi so wanyini sew obi a oye den wabo bra akopi embre bi eno betimi aka nsem bia ye den akyerew wudi da meka no enti wunipa bi a ye bewo no wo ba ye no wo beto wo papa wo beto wo maame ye wo wa obi bia oti asase so ansa na ye wo no owo bibi obetimi dia ye den e dia mawo onim bibi a wunnim a obetimi dia ye den obetimi dia mawo nti wo a wo hwe me ne ame kasai die da ye tirimu ni dia ye nim nyina eye obi ene ka kire ye na ye wo akwan bebre so a ye spread information ebi na book so ebi tworo information di gubukum na ya kinkan ebi na meye utie da meka no ebi oral one eno na ye na nanom ye den ye no kasa kire na ye kasa kire obi ene ebi na adani google internet utie da meka no facebook no a place to send message ebetimi aye audio ebetimi aye video ebetimi aye in a written form nti aborofo no ba ye no ombe hu se yen ye de no kwanya na ye fa so di information no wona na otifie a wabo bra wanyini wanya 90 70 80 50 60 no ono no onim bibi a obetimi aka kirew na so wudi atu wutrim na wodi abo bra wuti da meka no nti aborofo no mu sa no mo se da bi sa na tie dia yendi kan sei mpenifo no enkokorafo no ne mbrowafo no yen sei o momfa mankola yen kan kire o mo se wo maame wo nana ba wo nana bemma obi bi e wanyini seun ye wo age bi nipa no du a oye bayefo oye bayebonsam nti o mu de ato ya adwum se so obi bayefo a okita karata wi okita suban wi otimi yese sa na omde ye de omde to ya adwum nti ama ya adwan de asai nti ama abrante bia aketesi ya bia ompene na nasem ne nana ba ompenasem ne nana bemba ompenasem ade nti onye kristoni a oye nkramboni omo aka kire nse nanafo no mpenifo no ye abayifo nti obi ampese one ne nana mpo bedidi agom obi ampese one ne nana bemba kura benum nsuo wo krowa ba akom tete da broni nyamba abibiman mu no sebe na ye num nsuo wo krowa ba akom cup baako nipa be 9 etimi nom nsuo wom toilet baako nipa 10 ye nyina ye koso chelsea baako ye nyina ye de ye didi bom eye mbere omudi education foreign education aborofo no omu education de ba ye no mo ka tense ye woyale bia me wo kaka na me di nom nsuo na wo so wo no akaka be chew. This is quite a fa so ye de insight ye ho against ye ho nti omo ama ye fra de bi blackmail omo penti ye black ama we impeni nuasem wow ye fra no divide and conquer omo akoka we hu asem akire we na ya da na ye ho na ya beka we hu asem akire we nti omo de otan e de ato ye ntam nti omo de otan e de ato youth no eni mpenifo no ntam omo ama mmroafo nkokorafo no omo aluku bayi abayibon samfo ena yama mmroafo no so ye de aluku abayifo nti be si na America sei eda Kristo ni bia dwum eda akola bia dwum eda kramoni bia dwum se ne nana betimi ayibayifo ne papa betimi ayibayifo nti osuro ne nana se obekọ ne nana wakọ bisa na asem onti bibia se a onko no onkonko bisa ade nti yesi oyibayifo ma me nkyerɛw sa asem American me ba be prove ewo book no ewo bible no nti me kotu na ma kyerem na wa yeden wate ase enu nti omo say ye nana mo maaye nti ya ma de aye nti ase de ye nnim no ye ntimi nko omo nkyɛn konko bisa ebi nso nie wa wo say asase so nipa bia obeba asase so no ye wo nneoma bia obeto yi upo umpo obeto yi bibi ti se motan ennua ensuo asase ewia nyina ye komu a saade we nyina sen obia peni mboba nyini senye ennua wo hwansa yeba nipa beto sa neoma no nti even according to their bible kora sa neoma no kora baaye uti da meka no ansa na enu nie ohwe ye fa ni sen ohwe ma yi so a mitimi hu openi kweku ajekum openi kweku eji bosomba fa ne se o US me be ye example me be ye mfanto ho na me dia kama asem fa ne se sa papa no o US na mi na mi ni US me nko US da no se me pese me ko US na me ko bo me bra wo US a me bi kan na ma bisa no ono na wo US abraba ye bo no ho na wa kire me nyoma bi ani so uje da me ka no na manyamu nti ase kakra ansa meba ma ye den maba wati ase nti if you want to go to a place o pese wo ko beebi a winnimu a esese ore o connect to obi o ye den onimu ho ana obi onimu ho nimdie owo ho nimdie bi a ye den e dia ma utie so say yen connect to the nature ye pese ye ti wiase ase a esese ye bisa mmoba me kire wade bi awie esese ye connect to mmoba ye connect to dua ye connect to nsuo ye connect to ewia ye connect to asase e yo mo no mbetimi a kire ewia ye den ye beto ya meka no enu ntina ye ko school a teacher ni no obekire wade no ade na wo kwa kosua no teacher ni na sua sa ade no onim sa ade na onkire wo nti wo ko no esese teacher ni na wo kwa akokire wade no de ono kwa akokire wo no e ya ade a wadi kan asua enu onim no ye den oba bekire wo sa na wiase ni tie but abrofo ba be ka kire ye say to connect to dua wo be consult dua no e ya bosonsom wo be consult boba e ya bosonsom na boba no na e wa asase so a boba no baaye nti boba no nimadie bi a wuni bibia hu a we connect to them but o ma ka kire ye say e ya bosonsom. That is not the topic for today. Me dey no be fam and the topic can say how they incite we against our parents, our parents, our forefathers and our grandmothers. What you say? Our forefathers and our grandmothers. So incite here. You can say wasem boni akire obi ambreko nya den ente sa nti ede no mo ka kire ye o mo ka kire ye nse ye na nanom eya bayifo maye ni omu ndidi mbom maye ni omu nkasa maye ni omu nante mesra wa oba so na wa share video na ba no oba so a share video no sa video we eye very very good video we eye very good say ye be man nkola no atimeti video we sa video eye titru for nkola no because ye nkola no na asem we ye den eda ya adwin nti se nkola no timi musa asem we nye sa na te a ye beti wiase ase bro abrofo no omo mpesa ye beti ewiase na ase utie da meka no omo mpesa ye bede ye ho na yanya ho nto na wo bede ho anya ho nto a eye obi owo obi odi wanim openi bimu ena obetimi akere wo de wonim na wo so wotime ye den akọ wanim nti ye nananom no woyi ka kere woyi a na woyi agbo woyi amane na woyi agbo woyi amane nti edumbre bi no mo ka kere se dabi we shouldn't connect to our forefathers. We shouldn't connect to our fathers. Any mommy mo, any papa mo, ye was some age be, your father say age. Your maybe, woman mean do what you see. Your own fear be, woman do what you saw you by four. Your own fear be, who papa you do what or you by four. And until they are one tears, you know, a dance over could be some. What you say? They are one tears, you know, a dance over could be some. Na se wo obisa wo maame wo nana bi wo papa bi a mam wo de mewie me kire wade bi wo obisa wo nana bi wo nana bemma bi wo nana ba bi bibia ono no o be kasa yiwe no no saka kire wo se e yo no ne nana bi anani papa bi na ye den e ka kire no e yo bi na ka kire obi na obi so ka kire obi wo tie da meka no na abrofo na ba be say to the extent say ama ende yempe ye nana no masem yempo masem di video bi ba wonte na nsanya a maame aburu bi 90 years obi ko ye den obi ko cool keke ade ntia yesu oyi bayfo won dia bible no dia beye saa nipa no se bi em se oye nkramboni sama sister no oye nkramboni e da na adwim se maame ni bayfo yenko bisa na wo se enyo no a na ye honhom bi na abehye mu won opese odoje eno ni enda yenka na memfa de enye den emfa ncho kwani wa mfa so insight ye no eno ni me kan me di kan Matthew chapter 10 verses number 34 Matthew 10:34 me kan na wati Matthew chapter 10 verse 34 ma me kan na ire na ti de o was it do not think that I have come to bring peace to the world no Jesus na e kasa no Jesus say do not men susu say me Jesus me dia asomdwe bi ne ba asase so mamfa asomdwe anye den amba asema makankan sesi ano eso no kwan mu kire ye mbofra brem eso no kwan mu fa so kire ye enye saa kwan no won enkiremu no mo de ma ye no omu kire ye mu se Kristo sum na ye papa enu nti se wo be ye Kristo ni a wo maame ne wo papa omo betan nti edi confusion beba wo eni wawofo ntam yendi kan bisa ye ho se ade nti na wo be kwa kotie Jesus nkyerɛkyerɛ wo be tie Kristo sum nkyerɛkyerɛ wo be tie Bible mu nkyerɛkyerɛ na wo nana na ɔte asase so ɔte wo dadada wo nana na wo maame na wo maame nso wo no wo di asɛm ne ba fie a wo nana sei asɛm no onyi ntum wo nana sei ɔmma okwan onyi asɛm no ntum enkyerɛkyerɛ na wo kotie as a Christian as abɔde foforo as Yesu suani na wo di aba fie no sabi wo di ba fie no wo nana sei dabi asɛm no ene ne de ene nye de enko e contradict wo ti da meka no adenti yendi kan bi sɛ ho adenti because wo nana ne ka kyerɛ wo ne dia esom ye de e ka kyerɛ wo no ene ne dia ne bo embo ebra enye den enko je enye den enim because in the first place yem bisa sɛ omudi kan di esom ne Kristo som e de baaye ye di kan di Quran ne Islam de baaye no omudi baaye no na ye nana no ansa Bible ne ba ana na omunim ye nana no munim papa ansa abrofo som ne ye de e baaye nti emre na abrofo som ne ye de e baaye no de egugu abrofo som buku no mu ene ye nana no de ye ne nye den enko nti ama ye nana no ye omo adwe so me de ombe reject omonfa nti abrofo som no Bible ni Quran no chance se o teni tu nkwala na ye di tutu nkwala ni trim nti na ya ka kire wo se uko fie na wo nana se ontie wu a that means wo nana okita honhomfi nti no mpese obede obetiu eye ntoro ene na ada de ewo mni asem we ni nkyirase yankasa ni Matthew 10:34 no wo mu se ye na nanom ne ansa na abrofo som beba no se na madika aka no omu nim papa nim bone dada omu nim papa enim bone dada ansa abrofo ne yeden e baaye enu ti time abrofo de omo de ne baaye no nsam na abrofo no ka no se missionary no omo kwa asori a anasa se nkwala kwa asori a nkirekire no omo di ba fie no enkoyie nti ama e di confusion e di aba abusiam ama e di ntete e di aba abusiam because me wo maduane die aduane a midi aduane a me na di eno odi na me nso enne mabetura aduane no so na wo fi ba bi na wo ba na wo se maduane no me nto ntwene na me nyi wo die no ndi but wo die no mpo me gidi a me yare me di wo aduane na eya me ti ya me ya na wo kire me se kyenkyene a che me ni wo aduane no a eno no wo ya ha me nya ade a megi atu utie na ye nim ye Nyankopon dada ansa abrofo e de omo de ye fa ne se white god e de ye dem e de baaye e na ye na nanam si daabi e na e de confusion e de aba efie mu no e na e de confusion e de aba efie mu no nti ama ende ne nkola mu ade nkola mu mpenifo ade nti peni no ote ase dada ansa esomo ba no ono no ye wode da ni trim onim na mambre ne kasa ne nantie kwan ofa so didi kwan ofa so ye den e bo ne bra me ka kirew se nyankopon bi hata soro ho na nyankopon no sei openipa bi akọ heaven a obefa ye nananom this third generation 21st century on fire because ye ka nyame suma nkasa ye bedi nyame bi echi na ebe som nyame te sei omo kire yen sei ye nsom nyame a eye ye nananom no munim nyame som omo nenim nyame su omo ene nyankopon ne nante ewa akwa mpapa so ye ka omo nim nyankopon su ene nyankopon nante a eye ye nananom ene nim nyankopon ene nyankopon ye de enante because omo na etiri bone eye omo ene obi di na ade eto a obi mfa eye ye nananom ene nim nyame ankasa ye nananom sa nyankopon be yi generation bi a ye generation we obi ani wo if there is heaven God will never ye generation we nyankopon on fire da because ye generation we because of the Bible, because of the Quran, because of Islam and Christianity ye generation ayede asay ye nim nyamesom ye nim nyamesu ye nim kwa ye faso ye papa ni nyina asay ntimi ka kirew se nyankopon bi e wo heaven bi na obefa nipa bi akwa obefa ye nananom e de o ma ko heaven na me ni o mi ni atena asay because ye mbom na ye di bone ye na ye hu Bible ni Quran ye na ye di bone akese. In Matthew chapter 10 verse 34, they brought religion. Omo the religion esom Christianity eni nkrambosum ediba abibimam Africa no eno na ama efie mu ntokwa wom because in the name of religion, in the name of Christianity, in the name of the Bible, wutimi kwa asole na ya ka kire se wabra bo na wo bo na enko yi no emfi obia efi wo na nana abro na otifie no na na abro na wabo ne bra yi a wanye 90 years no yesi ono ena ye den eye wo yesi ono ena ye den eye wo na de nti no mu wi a na o maka se na abrowa ana akokora bi omu nim say the world power belongs to the old obi ewanyini tumi ye den ekita no because wonyam ba asase so no ono aba asase so hu nneoma bi a hu da nti ye wade bi wo ho eni wo nchen na wo ko bi wo no nipa no wo bia the person is in other way greater than you are nti hwe se obeka ya yemu hwe dodo na ntena akurase yemu dodo na nyini we akurase openi ye fa nse kweku adekum owo so asem america nse me boa obeka tete no ye ko asem die fa ne se bia entokwa bi asi obi ni obi ntam na ye kodi asem a ye wi a ye se ye nkohu na abrowa ye nkohu na abrowa na mpenifo bi aso ye ko fitiri kakra within 2535 minutes no ma ba back after no ma be bua for ade nti na ye se ye nkohu na abrowa eyo omo ho na tumi wo omo na woni midie omo na nim iwasi mu nyensa because ono wedi ka ba asase so wo nyensa e woni midie bi a wonni bi but esomo ba ye no esomo ba be insight yen omo against yen e no omo se no men komro wanchen oye bayifo enkwa akokro wanchen oye bayibo nsam me be kire okwan a esom efa so be divide abusia esom efa so be divide o man because enye esom ne ba ya enka sabi obi nkogina asolidan bi mu enka nkire obi se obi na ye bayifo obi na eye no na ode ntokwa e bia ba fie nti obi tete no obi be pon asole aba fie no na wasakra na adwe batende wo be pon asole aba fie na wo di adwenfi adwenboni obi ho adwenfi edi to wutirim aba edi aba fie because wo godu asole dam no nsem na wo sofo ka kire wo no o ka kire wo se wa bra bo na wo bo na enkoyi no emfi obia na mbom every sister bi efi mame abuwa bi efi papa kokora bi na wo de wani bre agbakosi obi na naso obi na ote ba bi a odwe ne ho obi na ote ba bi a sabi odwe ne ho embrowa na ba yese won nkokora na ba yese won o ma se ya adwen Luke chapter 14 ni ba be kan verse Matthew 10:34 no mami nsi subiu na men kan to aso one or say, do not think I have come to bring peace to the world. No, I did not come to bring peace, but a sword. I came to set sons against their fathers. Maybe I told you. Till them Jesus never can. I came to set sons against their fathers. And if I say, open you kwa jekum, or yame papa, na ono na ewo me asoba. Ansa na eso me nyamba ye no. Ansa na Bible no nyamba ye no. Na me papa open you kwa jekum. Na owa amambre a ne nana ede ma no amambre a ne papa jama no amambre a ono ye de ebeto he utie ena me kristosum me membre so na kristosum ye de ebae nti me papa kwekwa jekum waka amambre efie tumi de eboye ho ban o ka ho asem kire me nti minim abakosem nim efie amambre ye kuro amambre nti me de amambre ne nam ena buroni so de ne de ebae no Bible no so bae no Bible no so be ka be different Bible no be ka adien Bible no be ka kire yen say de ame me papa obi ye fan say kwaku ajekum amambre na ode kire ni kasa se na me nante me hlamata de ni kwan ya me mfa so mo me bra eni dia bia de aye no ono no de ne de bae no ne de na ba be ye contradicting eni me papa de ne nkwa e de ntokwa be ye de be ba fie because me papa fie me papa de mama duane bi me papa de hwe me da me papa fie enu nti e di confusion be de beba me papa nso be ka se senya ade a metie ni dia a ende me mfiri fie e bi si won kurase o papa kasa na wo so won fa nya adwuma o papa kasa na wo so won fa nya adwuma be ka se fie me dia aduane me dia me ma wa aduane ndi me ma wa fie nam na ada di confusion nti Bible no say he came to set fathers. Mame to aso na ti. Or say daughters against their mothers, daughters-in-law against their mother-in-law. What ye? Nti obema oba betia ne mame. Abrantie be so letia ne papa because kire na ne papa de ma no. E contradict the Bible no. Nti the confusion beba fi. Nti omo sheda because omunim say unity ye baako a ebeboa ye. Nti ese so omo set confusion between you and your father, the daughter and the mother. Wo de omo de ayeye. Wo koka wo beka che say Yesu nanum asem eyeja eye powerful eye sekan enu nti na eye sa Yesu nanum asem bi anye powerful enye sekan bia wo te da meka no uche da meka no nti ya ma adwe anya adwuma ye be koso abere se ya ye nye baako because time a Bible nyamba aye no edu afe so a eduane ye be ye ne wo fie afe afa hye no edu a eduane ye be ye ena mu nyina bo bedi but ende Kristosum nti afa hye no kura obi anko Kristosum nti edu afa hye mra obi nko na wakodi aduane no ye didi bom ma ye biako ye wo ho. We were having unity before the religion came, but religion by bibia ye den eseye ena wo hwem kura religion kura san ba ye kura omu nyina nchichemu sadam wo ko Kristosum mu nchichemu wom wo hwe nkrambofu a nchichemu wom nkrambofu ne a Kristofo enko yie ye wa adwen da nkrambofu tim ena ye wa adwen da Kristofo tim ni nyina nso ye nyame baako nti me pato nyame pen ena eseti confusion say wo ba ye yamambrem tete na wo ba ye yamambrem tete na angonafo yi amambra enkrafo timi kɔ utie sebe fantefo ye bibia adafo timi kɔ angonafo ye bibia enkrafo timi kɔ enkrafo ye bibia ebonofo timi kɔ ebonofo ye bibia esrem fo timi ye de etimi kɔ but ende etisen wɔn afahyɛ a kristofo di a sɛbi nkrambofo adresse akɔda sanla na yɛdi ni friday wɔn kristofo a wɔn adresse yɛdi sanla da daabi aka kakra nka nye coronavirus na ba nka meka nka nkrambofo bɛkɔ wɔn kristoni a wadresse akɔ meka da wɔn bi da because saa nyame no enye ne dia wɔn de confuse disunity ɛna wɔn de abrɛ yɛ yɛfɛ no divide and conquer ɛna wɔn bɛ divide yɛ ɛna wɔn conquer yɛ because wɔn divide yɛ na they get access to fight against us wɔn divide yɛ no ɛna wɔn set against us because sɛ nkrambosom yɛ de to nkyɛn de koran to nkyɛn yɛ de bible to nkyɛn de kristosom to nkyɛn a obi oyɛ kramboni ɔbɛhwɛ n'akyiri kwan akɔhwehwɛ na mambrɛ wɔyɛ gonjani na wɔn gonjafo amambrɛ wɔyɛ dagomba de wɔn dagombafo amambrɛ obi oyɛ adani obehu sɛ no kristosum efiri baby na yɛ nyina yɛ baako okɔka obi sɛ na yɛ nananam wɔ som ansa yɛ fɛ ne sɛ ɛsom bɛn na yɛ nananam yɛ den ɛwɔ obi a ni som bia de yɛ nananam yɛ amambrɛ nkrafo wɔ mo dea mfantefo wɔ mo dea nti nkrafo ɔmo amambrɛ no ɛna yɛ som saa no ma bɛ daada yɛ nti Matthew 10:34 no wɔsɛ mo obi nsusu sɛ odi asomdwe bae enye Jesus bi na bae ɛyɛ time a kristosum bae no ɛna mo bɛ sɛ yɛ ɛna in the first place yɛde bible no to nkyɛn na yɛkɔ history side a kristosum ankasa iba no ɔmo amfa asomdwe ama ɔmo de ntɔkwa na yɛ den bae ebeku nipa a history da hɔ edi adanseɛ eku millions of people with the Africans in the name of religion. The same thing happened to how do you call it your friend is saying Islam ɔmo de no kura sa be pie o Quran no munku wɔn ɛne ɔmo nya adwen a munku wɔn nti Quran ne deɛ outside the Quran killing, inside the Quran killing, but who Bible no more killing no outside the Bible. Utie the American and then be cross Luke 19:27 ewo ho say obi won pese obi medi mi so hene no mo mfa ne mbra ne yembe kunu Jesus ika say ono wa won ti ase so no Jesus meye hene obedi wo so hene no yenku nipa no sa that means when you don't want to surrender to their religion, you don't want to surrender to their concept, you don't want to surrender to their God, they will kill you. Why should you kill me because of your religion? Why should you kill me because of your God? The way I see the God is not the way you see the God. That is not giving you opportunity to kill me because I don't see it from your angle. I see the Creator different way. You see the Creator different way. I cannot force you to accept what I have. But why will you accept yours? That is the problem. And when I can once a man for the people are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. Religious people, the Muslims, the Christians, those who are using the Quran, those who are using the Bible, are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. The truth is doing away with their religion. The truth is telling you think. Don't pack money. Don't gather money and travel from Ghana to Mecca and call it you are going to Mecca for a blessing. Don't pack money and go to Israel. Say you are going to pray. You are going to pray. You are going to how do you call it? Pray for blessing. No, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't go well. So now they are seeing that the truth is overcoming their religion. So they are trying to go against the truth. They are trying to kill the truth, but they can't kill the truth. The truth will rather kill their religion because their book doesn't make sense. Now we continue once again to Luke chapter 14, verses number 26. Now, this is why we are born. Me catch said this is why we are born. Me share video bi guy bi say since Common Sense Family ye ba bontin 4 years ni you know can we have never yemfa ya dream manufacture bibia yemfa ya dream nye pantu yemfa ya dream nye car yemfa ya dream nye ye fa say aeroplane bi yemfa ya dream nye bibia hwe mame nka asam kire. Let me tell you the concept of Common Sense Family. Abraham de Moshe every nipa bia ewo talent nipa bia ewo talent a obetimi di aba o te da meka nipa bia ewo talent ba wuni Christosum ama ye talent no religion nkramosum Quran ne Bible ama ye talent no ye ntimi nyi na edi bia me amegina hai me amete ame kasai de ame me wo
common sense family dia ye won say ye talent ne say or what talent na obetimi dia ye ka no religion aka kire ne say bebi obewura na watumi aye ka no monko ho nti obetena se in the name of religion na ne talent no aka ne yem utie dia meka no but me de ne say men kan kire ne say dia religion ka ye no oboa bebi obekọ bia ne talent no bededi obetimi aye ka no onko na me ma ko baby na baby obekọ na ne ho beto no a ne talent ya pim na wakọ ho na adwen ne talent ni nimdie na ni baby eseso owura a obetimi aye ka no na wakọ ho wan ne ma no kọ ho eye me eno nti me talent no nti don't expect me say me expect common sense family say your friend say Abraham di Moshe ka say the religion was created nkambo so many when you created onu wie ye no na nka be 2 years no ye hu your friend say Abraham di Moshe wa ye ka o de na adwen aye ka da bi nye sa me expect ne sa me ndwe ne sa wo dwe ne sa wati nti ye no ye ma wo next 10 years ye benya obi o ye common sense member obetimi a create bibi obeye bibi or the adwen ni die any kwan bebi obewura obetimi ayeka obeye. That is the thing because we religion abeka kire we say what spirituality ohun nsem eye bone don connect to ahun uti da meka no sa no maka kire ye nti wote won so na talent na aye den aka edumbre bi kura esom kura aka kire ye hwe edumbre bi esom aka kire ye won bi kura ye nto esom nti obi wo talent about enyom bi a oto a iwesi betene nka na waye bibia ama ne ho ne o man no but esom nti osuro nti enyom no ode beba abonte no egi so odu obo nyom no oye nyom no se oto nyom na ye de ama Nyankopon eno so enko yie na oye no gospel music enko utie nti ohwa omo na omo discover ne oma no de because utie esom mu a wo talent no entimi ma abonte eni nti sabi mprebiasa hweye nuanom ohwa enko yie yo baby cry yo one of omo yi ni cry say your friend say hadith no yo hadith no baby kire say drawing acting enye we ye ata enye because atemu da Nyankopon be frɛ wo be ka kire say ayi na wo draw ye no say ma yi ni nkasa wantimi ma yi na nkasa wo be ko bo nsam jam in this way no obi oye ata obi obetimi a ate obetimi aye drawing no ya ka ne talent ahye nti wo be tena sesa but me be ka kire go say nye sa na tia the person will come out na the talent na ewo nimu acting no or the be obe acting omo say picture kra Nyankopon pe picture ala otiri picture e wo dem mfa picture nye de emmo na obekọ omu fie no na omu imam ni picture ebo asore dem na broni enye camera ye dey capture picture broni no ye camera na ye dey capture picture no ujira bika no ya ma bia nya adwuma ye bebre esom nti na ye de ye bre esom nti na ye bre because adwen no de esese adwen ye ma wo eye ma ne ho no de esese wo nkase wo yuso adwen de ye ma wo ho no book bia be ka kira wo say da bi ma nye ma wo ho eye bone ye nye asabi wo ha o mo say ma ye nsa enyom bi wo ha o mo say da bi ye nto e no ma enam esom nti ye talent ayeden akayeyam akaya adwin ti ya nye ma adwin no emum bie enye so obi ni nyansa si obi sabi eye omo ba no ma betage ena Abraham bi Moshe na waye no ho nyansani no ena Abraham da bi hwe yesi wuntimi wunni ma wo se wo ka trenye eto akeka ntokwafo no na ato akeka nti won omo ye videos background no who say omo ba bontia. They don't have nothing to talk about the Quran or the Bible, but always insulting, attacking. Abraham Moshe is a liar. Abraham Moshe is this. Abraham, you can't say nothing. You can't do nothing. Mabo form, ya yuemu religion. Nkambusom ya yueno Ghana ha. Nkambufu a tani common sense members. Enye easy. Ena maminka asem chiro. Obi biwa ye common sense member biya. You can't doubt me. You were once a Christian before. obi bi o ye common sense member bia wonye kristoni a na wo ye nkramboni because Ghana ha ye wo po wonye nkramboni a wo ye kristoni saa na te wo Ghana ha enti common sense members no obi antie ni ye obi bi o ye common sense member no now he was once a Christian and I say your common sense members omo ye Christian odo metiase your common sense members omo ye Muslims but so obi jai nkrambusom no a no be ye common sense member no ye nkramboni ansa nti ensem na onim wo about nkrambusom no sansem wo mu se sabi eye nkwase asem no common sense member waja nkrambusom aba be ye common sense member be sansa na achi se okwa akoye nkramboni meka untumi uti da meka because book no kora no ya wiwi no ena kristoni ono nso aba be ye common sense member biem me nya so se ebedum bre be ka se daabi Yesu ene wuura ene waje nkwa nti se se de wo sa be fa Yesu se wo kra ne waje nkwa ebi nsida nti woni eye yembom ena ye den ye egbo adwuma ye ma kristofo ni nkrambofo dane common sense members sabin preduasa ema omo adwum ye den ebie about omo somo nti Abraham bi Moshe ni common sense family yesi wo de wo somo wo betina mu atinam but eye bisansem wom wo nti bibia si abisam na ya twetwe nsem na sese wo bisa na ya twetwe de ato wa adwum na ye de nsem de ato wa adwum se asem wo ibisa ho na hwe ye to aso Luke chapter 14 me kai verse 26 obi anya di no ntie ye di kodi Bible no why or say those who come to me cannot be my disciples unless till aginkwa Yesu na mo se wo ya aginkwa obewu adi wiase na mo se wo de asomdwe de baaye na opi asomdwe Jesus na ka asem bi or say those who come to me cannot be my disciples unless they love me more than love their father and mother. Uti da Yesu ni kana Yesu nse obi ntimi ni mechi se wo pese wo di mechi a eji se wo dom me se wo maame ene wo papa. So they are telling us say we should love the religion, the concept of their religious beliefs. We should love the so-called prophet Jesus and Muhammad. Utie yen no ensin ye maame ne ye papa na me pam cho ye mfi abusia mu ansa ya ba esom mu nipa bia wa abusi wo firi mu ansa wa be ye kristoni na wo ka kire me se me maame ne me papa no wo me no me ntai won na me no na me maame ne papa wo me a nka ebe ye de na wo ba be preaching se me metie se me maame ene me papa wo me a nke ebe ye den na wo afi beebi abekire me nkramosom akire me Quran say la ilaha illallah nti se me maame ni papa wo me a ebe ye den na wo de Bible abegina manim aka kire me say Yesu wa be wu agime na wo ka kire me say so bi be di mechi a na wa ndo wo Yesu anse ne ono ne maame ne papa ontimi ndi wechi na wo do obi a na wo tie na nimu asem wo tan obi a wo ntie no nti omo de otan e de ama yen ene yawofo ene omo de odo e de ama yen ene esom nti ende ye do esom ye do asofo e do adifo sin ye busia ye maame no ene ye papa no de esom e de abaye ni na wo nipa de sani Ghana ni etwe book yi se book wi eye Nyankopon animu asem hwe me ameti yi afa na me ko 36 37 years say say ye twero ma bakosem for a time aye wo me no na ye be kai bibia atwera me ka kire o say ebe doso asem wi na mo ka kire yen say Nyankopon bo osoro ne asase no menumu asem na wo ha hwe me ka kire o star ensoro ma ba ko ye biem na ye twero de ewo mu a ebe times we no be 10,000 ensoro ma ba ko ye twero nsem ewo ye twero de ewo nsoro ma nu ba ko kra o ka nyina bo ma ebe more than we 10,000 times na wo ka kire me say de ewo nsuom de ewo asase ase de ewo asase no so de ewo soro die wo bibibia die wo wiase nyina no ya toro ni nyina nyankopon no ya boaboa no eno ni enhoma kiti wi Kristo ni a wotie mi be 20 years ni wonkan sida wonkan wieda 20 years ni wonkan sida won so ma be dada me no mi no adwe ena ya adwuma bi a ye ka ho asem ena adani dede ena Luke 14:26 kan wan do Yesu an se won ma me ne papa won timi ndi nechi dende ye de ya adwen yakoma e de ama esom asofo no mu buyen in the name of Bible asofo wiayen in the name of Quran omu wiayen so omu wiaya nka afibia boa sika no na fabra meka na kohwe boba na san waji betena na koto bobo nsam na san waji betena se mesremo abibifo ye ma adwembra fie na ya adwe atukwan ache ya adwe no ada ye nka nija Avram de Moshe oba ye no o fire wa ma ya adwe ye adwuma enye so obi ye kwasea enye so obi agimi obi anjimi obi anye kwasea ba de pese wo ye ti ase ne se dia bebia wa adwen kra nwi nkoho no na watwe wa adwan den aba ho na waka che o se ade we susu ho ye ka se susu ho ade we dwene ho nto wo dwene ho wi a na wa ye de wa wafa se ye ma wa wafa se nye ma nso a na aja wafa wo Bible mu say thou shall not steal, thou shall not kill, and I love your enemies, pray for your enemies. One say omo di book ne ba no kwan omo fa so di book ne bre no eno omo ankyere yin o omo anka kyere say da bi book no ansa na ye di ba no ye be wiam ena ye di book ne ba ye ye kumu na nanam na ye di book ne ba ye omo nka nso enti book ya ono ka kyere say thou shall not steal no bisa say onu broni ne ba ye no ade nti na thou shall not steal in the Bible eno wia o men wia de na wa wia o gold o de ko men ku nipa na wa kum nana o de ko o je da me ka no nti o ba no ka kyere so o munyi book yi emre bi ba ye kum nana no ewia ma japade ba sesi ade ya sakra ye nkum biom ba munyi book na nka wa adwe be ye adwuma ntem ba to ka kyere wo se e Nyankopon nu asa na enyo no na twero ye Nyankopon bi ne de man so mfa mbrɛ na the 7 continent no Africa nkoa de Nyankopon yure fie de Nyankopon bo ye nyina no Asia ode na asɛm kɔ hɔ Europe ode kɔ hɔ South America ode kɔ hɔ America ode kɔ hɔ Nyankopon yure fie Africa na nsanya na Nyankopon kai say dabi Africa need the word of God which is the Quran and the Bible. So Arabians take the Quran, go to Africa, tell them they were living without the word of God, so they should hold it. This is the word of God. Europe for take this is the Bible. Go to Africa, go and tell them they were living without the word of God. They were living without me, so they should take the word of the word of me, the word of God. They should study it. So they, in the other way, they were telling Africa were living without the word of God until they brought we the Bible and the Quran. Mister, this is the time. I can't insult you. I won't insult you. What I say? Me knew attempt that. But me can't tell you the book in the bed. After stealing your land, they took your gold, stealing your oil, they stole your oil, they took your gold, they took your natural resources, and they brought you a book, thou shalt not steal, but he stole you. Thou shalt not kill, but he killed you. Pray for your enemies. So these people never studied this book before bringing the book. And who said thou shalt not kill before they brought the book? They never studied the book and discover book who said love your enemies before they brought the book. On top of na buroni ewoma bibini. Se buroni do wa nko mbewiawo. Se buroni odoma wa nka o meku nana in the name of religion. Mini ya wutie mi ende nwumre. Asema me ka no koda na dwene ho. Na ya fa Bible ni Quran na to nchen. na kwa abakosem mu kakra se wan kura na di book ne baaye wan kura na di book no aye fe no Bible ni Quran de baaye eye nhoma o eye nhoma Quran no eye nhoma Bible no eye nhoma enhoma ye di akadu e na twero ye tete no na ye de ye friends entakra na de abo akadu mu na de atwero nti obi na twero ye na ode bre wo na o se Nyankopon se Nyankopon ne kasa wo Bible ni Quran mu a according to the Quran no Nyankopon na mbof enje Gabriel so no the message ama Gabriel na Gabriel so de ye den e de abre Prophet Muhammad according to Islam onima atwere enima kenkan no so abeka kire obi nti Nyankopon kasa kire Gabriel kasa kire Prophet Muhammad enso ka kire obi nti obi nu no ye den o twero obi nu na ye den o twero nti nka ne best way ni Quran nu no se mo se Nyankopon enamo bofo so na ye de ba ya enka Nyankopon yen yesi ente sa Nyankopon onsesa na dwen ombe kasa na yentie say common sense family da bia musoli amusi Quran no every Allah la ilaha illallah eyemme ena mishia Prophet Muhammad ewo cave mu Medina wonum janshi wo be bi tokro bim eyemme na me de message ni de ma prophet eyabani say angel Gabriel say on kasankyere mu na misramu monya so 5 times daily mo ko tole ta mo woro moto wo yo ba na wo jonso aworo wase wo ye be ma na wo jonso wia eya aworo be ma wo na wo na wo nsa na we na nipa ya obenya nkwaje wo a nye sa de we no me wo ja me de be hyew nka case die why na nyindi nka okasa wantu nka Nyankopon ala eye ala ya srewa ya yi mana ala ya yi ala yisuru nanka ye kan so onye din yate ye beye ndinka ne ya nka mi koto buta no jela bia da ho nanka common sense nyina ya convert enu kranka Abraham bi Moshe nka on preaching jiro bia on teach obia because ala akasa the same thing happened to the Bible ewo mu nka womache no bia nso le ye no ehwema yi din no na sound no ko nanka ya tese suru bubom Exodus 19 edu ho na nyinam gra wo be dwane a na ba wani so hwew na ya bu na wagina ho asema beka na beka se media agro wo beka se meto anansesem anansesem bi ne wo Bible mu se wo ka kyerem se Allah bi hia obi wo ba bi na ode ma na anansesem se na de America ne ya anansesem a wo mu se entimi nsi no the same thing so na wo de no nso nsi na nka Nyankopon no o de chia Moses no o se okay Ghana for this time maso mo dey too much mo pese mo be som the God of Israel eye no kore me na mishia Moses Mountain Sinai 14 bibi na Nyankopon bo date utie Nyankopon ne yure nsi bibi bia na nka date o shia no wo baby o shia no na Nyankopon yi ni sini so obi ama na ni so nkoso mo hwe soro na Nyankopon lo wa owia no because we kind the book of Numbers na wo Numbers say na Israel dumbre bi Israel for kontokwa na Nyankopon ma owia ne ye den ejina na Nyankopon ma owia na ejina se na yebetima ahwe soro na Nyankopon twasini a ye den akere be Nyankopon di book no nsem no di ma Moses no na yehu nkan no anu we kasa bi anim o kan John chapter 3 book no verse 7 o se de ye ni ehu e na ye di ho adanse de aso ate na ye ka ho asem a Christopher a ye di mbrama Moses no wunyina ho ye bo Yesu asendiam no wunyina be ya dance ye chinchina chi wu ama wo slave book e wo slave master book aden ede na haya adwen ede na haya ede na ha bi before ye see da bi adwen na ida ye trimu no bebi ye sasa ye de dwen ko ne ye hwe enye so obi nwin obi adwen but akade a wo bedwen ni bebi a wo bedwen akọ ena wa adwen e de resource ba adwen bi a wo bedwen bi e de resource ba nti ya bi before adwen da ye trimu ye ho resource ni because ya adwen da ye trimu se Nyankopon ena e be sie Nyankopon de tumi ade nyina ye oya de ye oya lisafo Yesu de Yesu ya de ye e oya lisafo na konora virus abai Yesu ntimi nsa konora nti oya lisafo no ya de e ben pa na Yesu nsa Yesu wo ya de ye nti Ghana economy no aye basa no ga Yesu onhui we na ye ka won se wo ye adwumade wo ye ade ye na akwan atutu e ye ade ye ni good hospital na Yesu ntimi nya akwan ma nti mi bisa se ade ye ben se ka so bi ye ade ye ka ade ye a omo mu kita apasoa no mu kita tela no ka no nam krom ade ye obeba wo no na watade atete so ye ade ye a obefiri wo no na wapam atade no wa ye ni yiye na edi adanse ese wo school atade na eto atete no wo motu emu na atete no wa pompam nti wa ye ade yi nti mesre me pa chow eden na Yesu na pompam ama wo eden na Yesu na fixi ama wo yesre mu obi ntan obi nkasa ntia Nyankopon bi obi kura ntimi nkasa ntia Nyankopon ba Nyankopon na omde na hye book Quran ni Bible mu na sabi ontumi nhwe ne ho kura na wa hwe obi what you say yesre mu adwenye adwuma religion na ba be sey enye religion ka yenyina ye baako utie enye religion ka yenyina ye te ho ase ye baako min kasa bebre ende nwumbre mi bibia besi a ebo 6 o'clock tenda TV ejanam ho tata Avram di Moshe and Common Sense Family ye flow ho ejanam ho tata gidi kura unquenchable fire ye jano ano odin sin bo nsam de no ejana Common Sense Family ni Avram di Moshe ya so wo Ghana aso no Africa aso no US no it is burnable it is kese emu ye hye sin bo nsam de no emu ye hye hot mini abi mi pese me boni din on social media and this on ko yin video bi old video obo video I was respecting that guy obo video mi phone no ye baako mi phone ye tu anka mebo video na ma obo mi old video me kasa me ye nipa I am subject to human error and a man of for me and I say sorry say man of form say nanka me pese me ka nti man kan sa ena me correct me ho o se ade nti ena me se minimi nyansa na ma na fom we nyansa be ni wom we nyansa be ni wom nyansani ena ofoma ohu ne mfom so nyansani ne sakra na adwen enu nti nko pese me kasa ye na ma no fom ye no me nkoso nkasa na etire onsa mbebo video no no nkasa ha na me boa wo Mumu Nyankopon kuro wo Quran mu ni Bible mu kura ono kura ye mistake e correct na ho na me nipa da sani na mafom me kasam me si sei da bi misre mu ama no da fom nye saa neti sei neti a wase ya de ntina ma no afom we nye sabe ne wo minia nti wo fa message papa bi ama wo fa message bi ama for message bi bra sabi mato sabi ama kanyensa sem na nipa ni waji sabi kanyensa sem na nipa ni waji na de awo kan de amo ye no emmoa man no ntina madi kan aka no you see you people are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing your religion because when the truth come out your religion become nonsense mu book no nonsense book no sense you can say we nonsense aye nye nonsense nyansa enim because mi hu nyansa wo mu say mentena Ghana handlo aburo enye adwuma na boso me beso na makwa akoye sa ade no enti sa me kasa na mano afom a me ye nipa mano afom na masene so me sere manka ni sei na me pese me kan na wo se ade nti na me makasa mano afom me ni problem mon ka nyinsasem na nipa nimu achi eya mon ka sempa na sabi previous nipa nimu achi you are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing your religion. You see, you are trying to kill the truth. You are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing your religion. Uteda meka no. Na nipa ekasa, nipa ni kasa na na afoma, nyensa ni na afoma osakira na adwen. Oh, me se o, asema meka no, enye sa, sei na e tie, wo se, ade nti, obi kura de beto wo se, as a vice president Avram di Moshe Common Sense Family no me ma me nsaso na me step down ade nti a mano afom e na me pa acho nti mano afom na ma pa acho no o nyankopon wo kora wo ala no kora woni mistake oyeye o nyankopon no kora ye mistake in the Bible na me nipa desani. This is the time. Religion never brought we better. Religion never good. What I say? So this is the time. This is the time we need to go inside the Bible. And I'm telling you, people thought to say Abraham B. Moshe and Common Sense Family are coming. One say the message of Common Sense Family is the sun, the earth, the fire, and water. One day, the message of Abraham B. Moshe is the sun, the earth, the fire, and air. Are there four ways? Abraham B. Moshe and the Common Sense Family. One say you can't do away with the earth, you can't do away with the fire, you can't do away with the sun, you can't do away with the air. There is nothing you can do to stop this message. I'm telling you. Nowhere you can go. Unto me. So Luke 14:26, I'm happy as I said, or be set the sun against Matthew 10:34. Oh, this is the time we need to wake up, follow the truth. This is the time we need to reason, do away religion. There are little truth in religion, but not all religion are true. Adentina no kakra ewo esonum. Adenti when they were coming to Africa, omo tapo no kore, omo tapo the goodness side of yen nananum and of the koshe book num. Yen nananum they knew there is a creator. They knew yen yaboni, yen fo biere, and until nobody will say men fo biere. And religion is a brain killer. Yes, religion will kill your brain, will kill your thinking. Religion will kill your brain. Religion will kill your thinking. Esomunti baby ese se adwen no kono. Adwen no nwi nko ho. Nti yetimi to quotation bi. Quotation yetu no bi aka say what you say? Nti esremu ye pamcho. Hwe won asamna ye dia bane. Me sisu biom se obi ani wo betimi aye bibi astopo dabi obi ani ho. Obi ani ho untumi ade na jinhimi e da jinhimi forever. Wow, ti yesremu ye ma adwen enko bukunum adwen ye de enko bukunum munyankopon no mfom so bebre no ye God in the Bible mfom so bebre no ye e na ye kirem se nyankopon no se oye ade ewi ebi na nansan ya ye papa ba ko de beto o baduku bi o say why God regretting creating human being instead of regretting creating Satan. The God of the universe, as you people claim, the creator of the universe, as you people claim, regretted for creating human being, instead regretting for creating Satan. In the first place, I don't even know why that God will create his own opponent. A God who creates his opponent. One kasa wabo okra, na one okra, twekra, menti asye. Onyankopon wabo. Ubo honho. Kwa ya hofa so bo honho, wa na winim. E na ubo bonsam, e na wone bonsam mo twe. Nti bonsam ne Nyankopon aye tag and war. Tag of war, bonsam itwe, e na Nyankopon itwe. E no kora ye okora no. Ukai Quran chapter 2. Wow, ukai 30 to 31 wa e kire say, time Nyankopon bo bonsam na, bonsam o ka say bonsam prostrate to nipa na bonsam anye no. Ye friend say Nyankopon pam bonsam na bonsam pa Nyankopon chawo say, o ma na mbre kakra, but ono bonsam so be try say, obey den, obey yira. Mana ono Nyankopon bo ho no, na Nyankopon wa ji atum, say bonsam yira wo ma. O yira ye wie ya, wo so wo be hyen. Abba. Aden Nyankopon aden. Me taso ha. Ye ko bossis. Tender TV. Fire to fire. Gidi kura. The good side of Satan. Obetin sem from the Moshe, your leader, your president Bakope. Obetin sem. What you say? We are here to learn. This is the time we need to learn and re-unlearn. This is the time we need to learn and re-unlearn. One say, as I say, you two nyoma bigu, na you find nyoma bitu ya adu. tools esom Kristo som ni nkambo som na Quran no ye divine na Bible no die firi Nyankopɔn anima ese ye toto nioma bigu me cause Splash FM ekoye program na eyo mo yure fi say I am a follower of Abraham de Moshe Abraham de Moshe de kire made o mu nimo me sheda me quotation 2 no e contradict me Luke 3 verse 24 and I me Matthew chapter 1 verse 16 and I say Splash FM amabai asen man fosuman se obi etimi bo Joseph ne papa din e kire me a mema no 10,000 Ghana so obi timi ma bi Joseph papa din e wo Bible no a mema no 10,000 Ghana me kasana na ye fa ne say obi o host program no talk ye no so obi afre sisi a me nkan Matthew 1:16 e na me kan ye Matthew 1:16 say Joseph ne papa ye fa no Jacob e na me say yo nipa na ya de na masom ne fidie watom trap no achibila me sheda e na me ka che nipa na say ono so mfa ne Bible kro na no be Luke chapter 3 verse 24 o ken kan ye no ye say Joseph ne papa ye fa no Heli e na me bisa say si a Joseph papa ye fa no Jacob ana ye fa no Heli oyima no ne nto aso be sinne call mba adiem da be sinne mesremo mommoaye push into the next level em say program no asimfosu no e program a meto aso aye den akọ in the name of Abraham de Moshe and Common Sense Family utie da me no but ye be hwa Sunday way the network na ye basa e won network na ye low nti me hia ye fa ne say mindfa won na ma connect to the bank ye fa ne say me data no na matimi aye de etima nya sa anytime bi a me ko no ye nya de enhwe ni yi na ye me ya na ha me pa nti video na ekikasi sa titi si sa amoaye ti me sre mumwa na yempe aja mumwa na yempe mindfa bi na me connect na nya den emboaye because e wono se me nya mindfa na o connect a e wa obenya network na clear na atimi aboaye na atimi ahwe ni yi na ma kwa hwe uko YouTube asi CSF Yahuda uko a uko hwa be musa na sofo dito odifo dito o toto apa so me yi quotation na na menchen me yi quotation na na menchen ontimi wow na oto na asesem preachi to na asesem na me masa esre wow pa wo pe bibi aka pe bibi ka wow wo pe bibi papa aka na wa pe bibi papa ye ne aka je message su bium na matwa so na edu anwumre a ye nyina ya shift to Tender TV ya ba ya ye hye ya ye try say ye be share videos sharing of videos is very important o share video is very important because we share obi nso benya bi ahwe na obi nso anya bi aye de ahwe the first day biara wo be share video no wo be gi soul eda wo be eda bia wo be share video no eda no sa topic no obi beti na what in nyoma bi ase because me ba so one topic am dia ba let's decode the Bible why mo fa so insight here against here na nanom ye maame fo ne ye papa fo mo kire so mo ye bayefo nti amaye nde so nti aboro nyi du baby maame bi nyi du baby a ye buni so ye bayefo ne ya bona kunu ebi ne si ye no na ye kumro afo ne nkokorafo no why na be ka abakọ se ma kire ye nti o mo hyeda asemo nti let's wise up the mesre pa emoa biara wo e de boa Common Sense Family fa boa ye e na ye damo na mo di message e ti to no Samsung madam fo bia ba so o ya de papa o de message beto o sisi ha o de beto o sisi ha Samsung o sei kojo ya si me da si why ya de papa e na Livestone GH Mr Englishman why ya de papa my dear message ni no ani na yegusu we will never stop we are not going to stop there is nothing which can stop us from this message no there is nothing because this is the time embreno enuni the say ye no 21st century we eno na ye no nti ye ba yiri ye tediem ye hye ye sapom nsuo na ye no more what you say na ye no more religion abe high obi ani won hwe ye wo ba bi a ye ntu ye nan ko ho ba bi ti say US UK Canada ne ye no but mo na mo wo ho no mo na mo nim enu nti na mo gi message Abraham bi mo share message mo gi atum atana adia bo ho kekira mo bo ho de wuro because wo no eburochire ni wote ho ena wo hu se na eburochire ni tie wonim se na UK tie wonim se na US tie wonim se na Germany tie enye Bible ni kora na omode kekire sa aman no even Dubai kora sabi omo ye nkramufo no enye Bible na ede kekire sa akro no but ko Dubai na kohwe manu da fo mo mpenfo amo ha no enti nka ye nyini ye no na se na Dubai tie se na UK tie se na me country Canada etie sa na nka Africa Ghana tie sabi nka ye betu kwan kra nka ebia ye ko gie ni na asaba but enam so ma say ya adwen ama adwen na ye de be build your mind ye de be build ye fie ye de be build ye ho ye de be bibi ba pa ye na bibi a ye te ye ho ato ye no o ma say adwen no ama adwen siesie ade ye ntumi adwen siesie ade ye ntumi utie because o ka ya adwen no de akose soro say ye ahoho eni amanfrafo nti obi owo UK oti UK eni say ahoho ni amanfrafo Ghana eye ni fie nti bebi ye siesie no eye ni fie a eye Ghana what you say enu no eye reality e wo ho a wutimi hu se nipa na siesie ni kuro but what asase so no obi aka tro asase so enye wo fie na mbom siesie heaven na me patro da ben no obi amani sika say yen to blocks yen to asase quarter plot na yen si chimba in hall e man e wo heaven esoro na yankopon agbo awie no o san ko siesie e ko hye wajapade wo ho e den kora na ha ya adwen minia enumre wotimasi ye die enumre wotimasi ye die enumre ma sheda na mato me bo e na me yi no one by one ma sheda na mato no bo mato me bo pa na me yi no one one wo Bible no say wo yo wo ne o mamfrani na wo yo wo ne o mamfrani a wo prove ne sen wo evidence wo he say na wo heaven e na waba ha na wo nye sure say die nti a wo ba ha no say heaven mpo na wo a wo da suba boni bie di o heaven na ye pam wo ba ha nti say Yakobon sama wo chance na wo ba ho a wo ba beto wo suba boni no so nti na last na me ka say heaven bi wo ho na ye be kwa ya bibifo ye nka ho ye nko ho bi ye suban ene adwe da ye tirimu nti ye ma ye chance wo ho enko ne ngu ho enko dani ba bi zongo because no matter how it is sabi ye nyanim nkrambufu duwa bebi nkrambufu wo bia zongo wo ho zongo nso wa winim min kasa bebre winim de ete ye ma ye chance because ye ma chance a shama fodum suban be ho ye benya tulaku ho ye ma chance ye fa ne sen nunguafo ebi be ko ho bi ni mafo be ko ho ye ko seo agoglosifo ebi be ko ho bi Kaneshi ombeko obi circle fo ombeko e asemo nti adwina wo de te circle no wo de beko heaven adwina wo de te ashama no wo go dasa the same suban na di eno obi kan Ezioku Juliet he say please speak English church have killed us here in Nigeria my sister the same thing happened to Ghana no wonder we are all Africans they came to separate us. They came and brought violence. We were all one before religion came. We were united before religion came. Now look at Nigeria. How pastors are duping people there in the name of God. They are taking people's properties because they tell you, don't you say what? Don't build your this your properties on earth. You see, it's religion. Religion has, and until Africa becomes one, until Africa can move forward, unless we put religion, either Christianity and Islam aside, that is the only truth. That is the only thing we need now. Mr. Ahmed, send this over. Akwaba. Yama Akwaba. Yama Masini Jumadi Amoye de Mobo. Mobo Juma, Yenim, Yehu, Mobo Juma Papa, Mobo Juma. So, Mr. Ezioku Juliet, we are all in one course, one canoe. We are all in one canoe, one vision, one mission for Africa, for the betterment of Africa. Look at plenty millions of Africans in Europe. Look at millions of Africa in Asia, because Africa is not doing well. Africa is not moving forward. Africa is not, because of religion. Religion has taught us how to hate each other. Religion has taught us how to hate each other. So the Muslim man doesn't like the Christian man. Look at what happened in one of this country. A Christian man sleeping with a Sudanese. They were beating her. And I'm not sure if that woman were to be a Muslim. I'm not very sure they would have even beat her like that. Look at what is happening in the name of religion. We got to get together. We got to get together as Africans. We need to get together. If not so, Africa will continue suffering like this. So it was religion who came to Africa. And religion told us we shouldn't love our forefathers. We shouldn't love them. We should, if you want to follow Christ, go and hate your mother. If you want to follow Christ, go and hate your father. If you want to follow Christ, go and hate your parents. So if my parents did not give birth to me, how will the religious man, how will the imam, how will the pastor teach me or preach me to become a religious person? We have a family before we have a religion. Now religion is telling us we should hate our family. Don't listen to your father in the name of religion. Don't listen to your mother in the name of religion. Your mother is a witch in the name of religion. Your grandfather is a wizard in the name of religion. So they incite we against them. So we don't want to listen to our old people. We lack knowledge. Ancestral knowledge we don't have. Ancient knowledge we don't have. Because they say they are wizards. They say they are witches. We shouldn't go to them for knowledge. Look at what is happening to Africa. Africa has turned baller to the white people, to the Europeans. Every dirty thing, every dirty mattress, every dirty TV, every spoiling car, they will throw it to Africa. Everything. Even our bed. Our hospital bed, some of the hospital beds in our hospitals, how do you call it? They are best. They are say in Europe. I say. This is the time we need to use critical thinking, logic, and common sense. We need critical thinking. We need logic. We need common sense. We need reasoning. Reasoning. Let me start from here. Common sense, logic, reasoning, critical thinking. Finish. We ask critical questions. Why will the God kill his son because of our sin? Even according to their Bible. Let me read this. Let me read here. Romans chapter 6, verse 23. If there is logic here, if there is common sense here, you will hear. For sin pays its wages, death, but God's free gift is eternal life in union with Christ our Lord. He said the wages of sin is death. That is Romans 6, verse 23. Now this is the critical question here. If the wages of sin is death, who was the first sinner? Who influenced man to sin? It was the Satan, right?
He did not die.
It was Satan who influenced Adam to be a sinner. If the wages of sin is death, why this God didn't kill Satan, but rather this God pushed Satan away or aside and killed non-sinner, who is Jesus? Instead of God to kill Satan, the sin generator, the sinner, the first sinner, the sin influencer, this God, your God never killed Satan, but rather your God pushed Satan to mankind and killed his own son. The son, Nebana Onye Boneno, Jesus Christ never sinned. But I don't know why God have to kill Jesus instead of killing Satan. Mr. Christian man, I beg you, put this in thinking, put this in reasoning, put it under your pillow, sleep on it and think about it. If it goes well, it doesn't go with logic. It doesn't go with common sense. Your book says the wages of sin is death. So if Satan sins, who need to die? The same Satan. But this your God never killed Satan for sinning. Your God rather went and killed Jesus Christ, who never sinned. It doesn't go well, oh Tom. It doesn't go well now. It doesn't go well. Now, the Christian man, every religious person, when they sin, they will tell you, it's not me. I was influenced by the Satan. The same thing as that girl was saying. It is the work of the devil. It was the devil who pushed me to sin. So every sinner, instead of you to blame yourself, correct your mistakes, they don't do that. They rather blame the Satan. Now, if it is Satan who influenced people, if it is Satan, the devil, who influenced people to sin, who was the first influencer to influence Satan to sin? Are you with me? May I ask critical questions? So, may I ask critical questions, unanswerable questions, a question which no one can answer. Even the God of the Bible can never answer my questions. If you say God, if you say Satan is the how do you call it? Is the influencer. It is the Satan which made people sin. So the Satan was the first creature who made people sin. Now who influenced Satan to influence people to sin? Why in a dada bonsam? And a bonsam so dada nipa. Nipa ne bonsam ye bonsam according to religion, according to a song. Se nipa wo bonsam ye bonsam, bonsam ne hwan, ana bonsam ne ono ane ho. Se sa ne tie se bonsam ene ono ane ho, ende won so wo bonsam eye wa ho. You are your own Satan. If Satan is his own Satan, then you are also your own Satan. You are also one of bonsam. You are your own God. You are your own Satan. Let's use the brain, Mr. Black Man, Mr. African man. I'm telling you the truth. Common sense family. Abraham B. Moshe to the world. 6 o'clock. I'm saying time. 5:47. 6 o'clock on dot. Tender TV. A paja. A jadam. A she. Obi na aba no se me ho ye mmobo. Oh, me ho ye mmobo ti se me nyankopon. Mo nyankopon no. Oh, me ho e mmobo se mo nyanko. Me onyankopon kwa na ho ye mmobo sen me. Onyankopon a wabo no ani ne bonsam. Wabo no ani opponent. Nyankopon no ankasa bo bonsam a one na eko. Sanya me ne ho nye mmobo wan. Sanya me we ne ho nye mmobo wan. Nyame a nipa aye no bone. Ontumi mfa bone ne nche. Gise oku nipa ansa watimi di bone ache. Nyame a nipa aye no bone, nipa aye bone ati ono. No no Nyankopon no wotumi. Eye me fine, eye me depa se. Watwero no twi. Watwero na kan kasa. Wo beti nsem. Nyame ono ankasa. I have no idea about what I'm saying. Then you too, you don't have idea about what you are listening. If I don't have idea about what I'm saying, you don't have idea about listening to what I'm saying. I am talking, you are listening, and you are telling me I'm not talking well. I am drumming, you are dancing, and you are telling me I'm not drumming well. Stop dancing, my friend, stop dancing. Stop listening to me. You see? This is what we call common sense. You never thought it before. Say, if I am talking, if I am singing, you are dancing. If I am drumming, you are dancing. You are telling me I am not drumming well, I'm not singing well. Stop dancing. If my drumming is wrong, your dancing will not go well. You will dance offbeat. So as if I am fooling and you are following me. So we are all fools. Excuse me. If the black man don't want to use the brain, the black man don't want to use reason. You have the brain, but you don't know how to think. I am telling you. Stop dancing if I'm not drumming well. Stop dancing if my music is not the tone. See, let me tell you. It is. Let me say, when the deaf is listening to the music, it doesn't go well. The drummer or the singer become a foolish person to the deaf. If me, I am drumming, I am singing, then the deaf is listening to me. The deaf will see me like I am a fool because he can't hear what I am saying. The deaf, obi anaso asi. Sa wo bo twene na wo to nnwom na obi anaso asi. O si ontimi nsa. Ohun say wo na wo bo twene no o mo ni yi because onti sound no. It's the same thing happening to this guy. You are a deaf. You can hear, although you can hear, but you are a deaf to what I'm saying. So I am drumming, I am singing. You don't know how to dance. My friend, my wife, I can never insult you, my friend, my brother, and I will never insult you. Telling me you have no idea about what you are talking about. Then you don't have idea about what I'm talking about. So you better go. I am telling you, this book was given to you by your slave master. And there are evidence, there are facts, there are proofs that it was the white man who came to Africa to enslave we. When they were going, they gave we a book called Quran and the Bible. Am I lying? So now I'm telling you, read the Bible. After reading the Bible, ask a question from the Bible. I don't know why when we go to school, when we read something, if we don't understand, we try to ask the teacher. You raise up your hand, say, I don't understand this calculation. The teacher will explain to you. But when it comes to the Bible, they tell you we don't need to ask questions. Why? It's a book. It's just a book. My friend, please, my brother, I respect you a lot. I respect humanity. Please, I beg you. I beg you. You will soon understand what I'm saying. Later, you understand what I'm saying. Okay? You get me well. You get me well. I don't blame you. No. I can't blame you and I will not blame you. I blame your slave master. I blame your pastor. I blame your pastor. I blame your slave master who brainwash you. Sometimes I want to explain the meaning of the word brainwash for people to get me well. When we say somebody is brainwashed, let me tell you, suppose in your room, you can see your dining table, you can see your sleeping bed, your bed, even sometimes your door, even your roofing, even your ceiling. They were all made by wood. You will never run away from your ceiling, which is made by a wood. You will never run away from your stool or your chair or your stuffing chair in your room. You will never run away from your dining table. You will never run away from... Are you getting me? But when they put an empty coffin in your room, an empty coffin is made of a wood, the same wood. You run away from the empty coffin because you have been programmed that the coffin carries a dead body. So even if the coffin is empty without a dead body, you still fear the coffin. You still fear the empty wood, but you never fear your roofing sheet. You never fear the roofing. You never fear the stool. You never fear the bed in your room. This is called brainwash. This is called brainwash. He said, I was once a common sense member, but being saved now by grace. And what is that? What is that grace? Even what you are saying, your God will punish you. You are lying, so your God will punish you. So now you are out from the track. You have been saved by the grace. That grace is not working in Africa. The grace is working only in Europe, America, Asia. But in Africa, that grace is not working. You see, these people, they are pastors, but they will not bring the name pastor. You say counselor, JMs, you are a counselor, eh? Counseling the name. Will you call for debate? This is my number, 0241 53 93 34. If I am lost, come and show me the right way from the Bible. I throw challenge to you. You see, these are the people I tell you, they are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. They are trying to kill the truth because the truth is killing their religion. He's struggling. He's suffering because Common Sense Family and the message we have is disturbing their brain. They can't sleep. These people cannot sleep. They can't sleep. My people, this is the time we need to wake up. But don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channels. Subscribe to the YouTube channels. Videos Google Baby, Common Sense Family, CSF TV, any CSF Yahuda. Mesremo. Wa was to see a subscribe to CSF Yahuda. No, Mesremo. Mom wondering not subscribe. CSF Yahuda. Videos be Ababe, Mediabeto. Program I point Splash FM, Mediabeto. Now, me sure say Sunday way by Messanco, Abaco to Washobu. By a Besremo, Hebesremo, Mumboy, Nanko. Hen, to say Lolo Face. In and out, over Quaba, now nam, Cecilia, Ufri, 32, Uba 32. One, over Quaba, now number, the funny saying, 60 to 70 Ghana, Miss Remo, the Pamcho, hen, why won't Webia, I'll be to me, Diabuana, my de Macono, now Aja, hen, why I, Yababa, became a problem at Remo. Now say Nipa ne Bua Nipa, and then Yanko Pombia and Bebubi. Say Mequaba, a Metuasika, car, Naka, so driver, not drive me, na my day. Makwaba and one no nti wa obeboa e bi a lolo fe no o ye me wakakra meboa na ban mo amuhu e da na me call no network na nye asimfo so network no e so low nti sana madi kan aka no e bi a mindfa bi wa wo bi ana wa obetimi aye den etimi afford na wa pe bi aye den e de amaye no na aja nso aja me nso me de connect me kwa ye benya bibia clear na etimi aye den etimi aye yi ye da mo ase now we promise say the aye you be so then sada boss I don't have your time I don't have your time counselor I don't have your time I don't have your time what I don't have your time at all enya dia what type na be ka say me message na me kita no what you say we met who are greater than you what you say me say what say me da amanfo a just put a debate my number is 0241 53 93 34 you are inbox me naka say wo pe debate na ye hye debate eno anu no why eno anu no na asem mfa na asem nyeden enko ti medam ase na ye bibia sia ma me hwe say was Yahuda we have men of God like Benihim one say akwa kasa one say akwa and you are a man of you are a dog of God you are a dog of God yes. Truly, you are a dog of God. Mami Fanchero say, Oka say, Obi Nji Yesu Ndia. Ya wansem bi ya ka obi adwene say ye pese ye Christianity ara ye pese ye nipa hwe dia book na ka kire Counselor James listen to what your book is telling you. I am coming to prove you say your book says something eno na wudi echi no kan John chapter 1 verse 11. Or see, he came to his own country, which is Jesus, but his own people did not receive him. Verse 12. Some, however, did receive him and believed in him, so gave them the right to become children of God. O can you now? O see, yes, but on one diem, na ne dear Angelo. Na do na wo gene dindi yeno. Yema wo kwan say, one by a Yankopon ma, utie de Americano. Nti wo pese wo ka kire me say so bi anji Yesu na nni a onye Nyankopon ba ende Abraham onye Nyankopon ba wanji Yesu na nni Moses onye Nyankopon ba wanji Yesu na nni nti Moses kasa manyi ntum de ye ya no say ye na nanom o mote asase so ansa o mo de Bible na eba no o mo nya Nyankopon ma wo de o mo de ayew Mr. Counselor wo de o mo de ayew nti da be na obeda adwen kakra won de omode ayo me read the whole comment na me read mawe minti o say Yahuda we have men of God like Benihim Joel Austin Pastor Richard Whitcomb one woman ogbugbo omudi who are white who use the same Bible you are purporting was used to enslave Africans. We were the what aforementioned men of God also enslaved. Think too. And then Adentina Wambo Uhudi. You are mentioning the name of bo omo ye nyame nipa de din. Wodi wo hefa. nti wokora wa disqualify won say wokora wonnya nyame nipa nti ye de bibia besi a ye de bibia besi a why Mr. Kan 1 53 93 34 so be frame ya na wa frame na aja den ya di nkomo wa no o be ba debate nso na wa den wa ba wa o be ba debate nso na wa den wa ba na ya ba mu nka obete wodre tete ha na by this time wakonya UK ba bi ase we num no mo ndwe oman no hu no we mo mo ndwe oman no hu o mo nie oman no adwen papa bia o mo ndwe oman no papa bia what you say see our ancestors accepted the snap. Yes, they accepted the snap. We tell you people say we accept the truth everywhere it comes from. This book is not the word of God, the word of man. And automatically there are truths inside the book. You pick them, work with them. That's all. But don't tell me this book is a book from any divine God. You say Jesus Christ is this guy is not serious. You need to go to class 1. This guy is not serious. You are not serious. There are some words over Kapema who say, excuse my language, why? Papa? Jesus Christ is powerful than our ancestors. We say common sense members. Mobeka say maka asemboni. Bra, say we see Yesu din. E wo tu mi sin ye na nanom a. Mesrew menu mienu ye bebodua tie dia meka no. Me de ye na nanom tu mi bebodua. Wo wi afa Yesu din bobdua. Aye me de kora say wo se wo Ghana. Aye me de pa say wo se wo Ghana. Ye bebodua sesia. Me de ye na nanom tu mi bebodua sesia. Say wo obi obehwe video yi. Menu na to challenge amabe. Menu ya kansala JMs. Me se me giye na nanum di. E na o se Yesu ntumi. O se Yesu ntumi. Me mfrɛ for den. Me se ebobodi a wo se me mfrɛ o bedwane. Me mfrɛ for den. Me mfrɛ obi a ye bebodua sesi a. Me nko ye bebodua sesi a. In the name of Jesus, bomidua na me mbo odua in the name of ye na nanom. Nka mema o 6 days. Mema onioma baako 4 men ko ho wonnim na wotra baako pe na wotumi nya 6 days a and the common sense meja achidi ye bebodua sesi a se wo se Yesu din me ka no kra me ba sesi a akwai me gye na de sesi a me ba sesi a me ba to mo ntwem masa mendwane gina so me ya akwai de sesi a me ye wa de sesi a me ba ya nyemo sa munsua nyansa in the name of Jesus bomidua sesi a makoyi ahaban baako mensa ahaban baako nie won ahaban no menkyerɛw ahaban koro me de ato ho baako nso nie won ahaban no me sa de ato ho baako nso nie won woyi me sa de ato ho wotie da meka no me bra na se Yesu ndin e wo tumi sin ye nananom me de ahaban baako tɔre atere no akwai me ye na de hey, I am the cross of Ghana. And no crab yentem. E be yentem hwe ahaban ne ba kunye. Wow, ahaban ne ba kunye. Wo se ye nananom, omu ni tumi Yesu wo tumi. Ye be try e wo Facebook, me be kire wo se ye nananom omu wo tumi. Sa wo se Yesu e wo tumi a, wo de bomidua in the name of Jesus. Wo wi a me bomidua sesi a, wo du abo no. Wo du abo no. Oh, dear, one choro, dear one. Namin from an uncommon days here. One walk with school, say, you know, typing. I have about me from Mamma being yet, and fact, because I'm on fire, what, and about Kunsunie. Won't have one semi solid system of wood then. Check, one semi solid system of wood then. A quay pa me be yet, hey, a quay and you bring over wrong meat. Say, Jesus Christ, oh, to me see your ancestors. A quay pa, one nana, crabby doing when you want to do. Sabi won na kura be di won yaw won nana a wo maame no woman na di won yaw won nana na wo ye na ye be wo maame no e wo papa na ye omo da ye na ye wo no wan jiji omo enyumbre wan jiji won nana kura enyumbre asema wakan obi si nimputu camera no pe ope ahaban na hu ahaban na me mfa nkyerɛw makoyi ahaban nyensa hwɛ ahaban nkese se ye 5 ba me de che na nti na mayi miensa me de che me de be che no me ka se me de be che na bia ebedi na kakra na watimi aba be pacho na ma ya mambra ma no but ahaba no ke se ye 5 me de 5 na ba me ka bibia 5 no 24 hours pe me de 5 na ba 24 hours ba we no me ma na be 1 month na me ko fa ahaba 3 ahaba sa gusu keke me ka sa gusu a eno ano no na ba ko so ni se wa hu we no em say e pos wo ho ntimi mpese meye na obi ahu na obi akwa ye bibi won ba ko ni akwa nka wo bete wo dui sisi a nka wo bete wo dui say in the name of Jesus eno ni akwa na dwane eye me yawo fa obi abo no bra fa obi abo no bra obi abo no fa bra Tender TV live okay time na so Tender TV ye ko Tender TV akwa no akwa yi manya the number manya wo number wo gu kura nkeye wo number na ba hadada wonim nka wan type wo number okay eno ni ye ko ye fa ne Tender TV time na so ye di bibia besi a medam ase but obi nhwe video ni biem na akwa no number mo mfre no na muntu no fo mame mesre mo mfre no menka ahwe de se me ka no manka but muntu no fo mame medam ase ye di bibia besi a mo subscribe to the YouTube channels CSF Common Sense Family, CSF TV, and CSF Yahuda. Thank you very much. Ye di bibia besi a Piao adwene be ya adwuma back to Tender TV gidi kra be mo she on fire.